We are going to be using some color mapping commands. These commands are in the image menu, the adjustment submenu. I'm going to start with Equalize. And what Equalize does is it takes the lightest color in all the channels and it maps that light color to white. And then it takes the darkest color in the channels and it maps that to black. And in an image like this, where you've got tones that are very similar, we've got a lot of browns in here, what this command will do is it will increase the contrast and really make the image pop. So we're going to go to Image, Adjustments, and Equalize. And you can tell it's a dramatic difference in this image. So I'm going to turn that off. And we're going to do Posterized next. And what Posterized does is it basically makes it look more poster-like. It takes the 256 brightness values and it tries to place them into equal number of specified increments. And the lower the number of levels, the more distortion and the more poster-like it's going to get. And you'll see when we go in here, the default is 4, and that is the lowest number of levels. And you can see it's fairly poster-like. And as we increase the slider, it's going to look more normal. Now, it's kind of hard to increase this slider by small amounts. So you can use your up and down arrow key, to increase or decrease the slider, and that is a little bit more effective than trying to drag it. What I would like you to do is just pick a value somewhere between 5 and 10. So it's still going to look a little poster-like. And then you're going to click OK. And we'll go ahead and turn that one off and choose Threshold. And what Threshold does is it's going to map all the colors to either black or white. And this command does look best if you have kind of an equal number of black and white pixels. So we're going to go to Image, Adjustments, and Threshold. And you're going to see a bell-shaped curve. If you move the slider towards the right, you're going to get more black. And if you move it towards the left, you're going to get more white. Okay, so I'll show. And typically, if I'm going to use this, I'm going to leave mine there. I am going to apply some kind of blend mode to it and probably lower the opacity a little bit and use it as more of a special effect. Just trying to find something that I don't dislike. I'm going to turn this one off and select Invert. What Invert does is it inverts all your colors. So it's going to look a little bit like a negative. And we're going to go up to Image, Adjustments, and Invert. And while I don't really care for how the cat looks, the rocks actually look kind of cool. You can see that there's kind of a silver in them, which is a shade that you don't normally get. So out of all of these layers, what I want you to do is turn on the one that you like the best and save your file.